And Charlie, you said quarterback, that's the big question. What answers did you get today?
Well, I said the other day that Gerard had closed the gap, and he has. And you look at us today with Tyrone making some good throws and just leading the offense. And then you watch the first series with Gerard. He takes the offense down the field against the one defense and take it for a score. But, it's going to be fun just going into the summer, and those two guys still battling it out. But it's good that even have two quarterbacks. I think back a year ago with Tyrone, and we go and lead this game, and it's like, woo! I know all of you guys. It's like, when you came in here, it was now because some of the throws he made and interceptions, you're like, whoa, God, it's going to be a long season. But now just to watch those two guys go at it was fun.
What did you see from guys like Bryce Cottrell and Nahshon Hughes today?
Well, I loved Bryce, and I said it probably the surprise of the spring has been Bryce. And, he told me he had 3 sacks, and I didn't count one. He said he hit the quarterback, but I said, if you didn't, so it wasn't a sack. But it's always fun to just watch him compete. And it's just him gaining the confidence because now he's coming out of his shell. And then you look at the rest of the defensive front. Ridgeway's always a mainstay in the middle. Puna's played really well this spring, has had a really good spring. And then Shiro. The thing about him, you like for him to turn it loose a little bit more, but he's a guy that can make plays, really strong at the point of attack. And then you look at you talk about Bryce. Vassar's someone who's coming on that we're going to need to come on for us. And then Boyette has made some plays for us inside. So then with the defensive front, now you have 5 guys that are out this spring. You talk about Tank, you talk about Blewett. You're looking at guys that we didn't have, Roberson, that we're going to need. And so when we get those guys back, then it adds some depth for us up front there.
Charlie, would you be afraid to start a redshirt freshman quarterback at Notre Dame who's never taken a college snap?
No, because you know what it is. If they have a chance this summer to work, then I'll be fine with that. No, I won't be afraid because now you feel like that you have the experience around it because you look at the offensive line, is an experienced offensive line. You look at the wide receivers. But, the thing about it is I hope I don't have to go in that game to start a redshirt freshman.